a more kind and considerate way to do the same thing that we're doing, which is taking birth, growing, maturing, for the most part, giving off progeny, diminishing, dying. That's what we're doing. And do it again. And do it one more time. And again. As long as if we are a conscious entity constitutive of consciousness, but we're identified with matter, the show of matter is always changing. We're attached to it. We'll remain in relation to it. And the change will include another body, another configuration of the same stuff, if you will. So to go beyond this is the idea of yoga, of spiritual practice. And so it really constitutes loving in the full sense of the term. And when we approach the world, let's say the natural environment that we live in, with this kind of yogic love, a wise love, we get a secret from nature that a merely environmental perspective will not reveal. What is that? The secret of nature is that she has a soul, and it's us. In human life, the self that is ontologically different from nature, consciousness, experiential reality, as opposed to an experienced reality. Experience will not arise out of non-experience. It's a good thought. Don't expect at some point non-experiential stuff to organize itself. Right, there's a question. How does non-experiential self organize itself? The very fact that matter is known to be self-organizing hints at the idea that there's intelligence to existence, meaning, purpose. It hints at that, but it's often ignored in the scientific community. Just a phrase, self-organizing matter. It will organize itself in such a way, this non-experiential stuff, right, will organize itself in such a way as to suddenly start experiencing. That makes no sense from the yoga perspective. I don't think it makes sense from any.